different continent. I packed a bag in confidence. I didn't come for compliments. I'm not. A couple decades working late. 100 no's, 100 fails. That's what it takes to elevate someone. And now I use that high IQ to get the check. Don't spend it on some stupid kitty flex. I prove nothing to no one but myself. Now I'm looking inside me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. I hope everyone has a beautiful, fulfilled, successful, happy, healthy 2024. May all your dreams come true this year. So before getting into the video, I wanted to talk to you guys about what my plans are, and hopefully some things will motivate you as well. So you must be seeing all these reset videos, goal setting videos for 2024 everywhere in YouTube and maybe Instagram and other platforms. So I thought we would also jump on that trend and do something like that. So the agenda for today is first of all, I want to do a little bit of declutter, maybe declutter my wardrobe, take out some of the clothes I haven't worn in some time and I plan not to wear, and I'm going to give them off to maybe my house helps or anybody who requires. And then I am going to do my goal settings for 2024, my vision board. You guys know, those who know me know that I really believe in vibrations and manifestations and visualizations. So we are definitely going to do, I make sure to do this every single year, that is to create a vision board and at least have a good visualization of what I want from the year. And I think you should do it too. Trust me, people who have not tried out vision boards and manifestation, give it a try. It's for some reason that you hear it so many times around you, so you should definitely give it a try. And if you don't know how to do that, maybe you can drop me a message. I can help you, or make a separate video on how do I do manifestations and visualizations for my goals and my dreams. And trust me, so many times it has worked miraculously in my life. So my theme for this year is going to be, that's my cat. I think you can see him in the background. It's the cutest. Okay, so the theme for this year is going to be, for me, is going to be just positive vibes, lots of dreams, lots of goals that I want to see coming true this year. So we will soon be moving from this house. So more info on that pretty soon in my upcoming videos. Stay tuned. So that's why the vision board also, I'm going to do a digital one this time, not the board one, because anyways we have to move and then I will have to carry that to the new house. So better to do a visual digital one. And a few goals and dreams I have regarding my personal life as well, my personal growth as well. So firstly, I feel I have to stay very strong into not letting people decide the kind of vibrations I will have, in the sense that I'm not going to let other people influence or bring down my mental peace. And if I'm very confident about myself, and if I know for sure that I'm not doing anything wrong, and I don't have to be a people pleaser, is the bottom line. So if somebody is offended for no reason, if somebody is making some insensitive comments, that's on them. It influences their energy, trust me. It brings down their energy, and it's a reflection of their state of mind. So I'm not going to definitely let those things influence me. And also I am planning to practice detachment. That is, we usually as people get attached to so many people and things for emotional reasons. That's okay, because we're human beings. But we need to practice the art of also letting go, because sometimes the universe or God or whatever higher power you believe in actually wants certain negative energies to go from your life. You should not force them or force those things to stay in your life. If they have to go, they will go out. And plus, especially for example in a friendship, if you have, try to notice the trends. If you have been the one who is putting all the efforts, trying to meet up, calling, messaging, initiating every single time, then I think there is a problem, right? So maybe the friendship is not mutual. Maybe even if there is a friendship, the amount of importance that you are giving that person is not giving you in return, right? So why don't you just hold on and see how things turn out, and you don't have to force and put so much effort again and again and again. So people who are meant to be in your life, things that are meant to be in your life will be there in your life, trust me, no matter what. And things which have to go, or people who have to go, will anyways go. You can't just force them to be with you, no matter what you do. No matter if you go out of your line or out of your comfort zone to do things for them, it will still not be respected and valued, and they are ultimately going to leave you and go. So I think practicing detachment and the art of letting go also is really important. Thirdly, I am also planning on, again, I started this last year, but still I think I have not done justice to it, to read more books. I still need to read a lot more, and I have downloaded 5 or 6 books day before yesterday on my Kindle app. So on my tab, I have downloaded 5 to 6 books that I really want to read. One of the books that I want to read is 101 Essays That Would Change the Way You Think. I couldn't find it on Kindle, but I think I'm going to order that book on Amazon. Just having a smoothie I made yesterday. I made too much, so I saved some for today. I think that was a good thing I did. Yeah, that reminds me, the fourth thing is fourth or fifth, I don't have track, is to eat healthy, maintain a good lifestyle. I'm definitely going to keep that as a priority. I have been working out really regularly for the past few weeks, and people have told me they can see some changes in me, which I was very happy to hear. And also in terms of food, because what goes inside your body actually shows outside, not only just on your skin and your fitness, but also on your mental health as well. So we have to make sure of that. Try to avoid things, processed food and junk food, which actually brings down our vibrations. So we should stay away from them as much as possible, but sometimes of course the break is necessary. That's so. Before I bore you with all of my talks, let's get into the video, and we will start today. I have made a list of to-do tasks. So I have all of these things to do today. So I need to do something about my nails. I mean, they're all right, but I need to shape them and maybe do some nail paint on them. I need to study a little bit for tomorrow's class that I have. I need to declutter my wardrobe, as I said. I need to prepare my vision board, of course. And then if time permits, I am going to go to the gym at least for half an hour. I'll definitely try to make that time. And before going to bed, I want to oil my hair so that I can shampoo it tomorrow and do some dental hygiene things and all of that, and if possible start editing this video for you guys. Without any further ado, let's start our tasks for today.
From a different continent, I packed a bag in confidence. I didn't come for compliments, oh no. A couple decades working late, 100 no's, 100 fails. That's what it takes to elevate someone. And now I use the high IQ to get the check. Don't spend it on some stupid kitty flex. I prove nothing to no one but myself. Nah, I'm looking inside me and I love what I see. I'm a grown fucking woman and I don't give a shit what you think about me. I'ma keep it moving and I don't give a shit what you think about me. I'm a grown fucking woman. I'm a grown fucking woman. Honey, I'm a grown fucking woman. Don't talk while I'm trying to talk. Yes, still the time to get it right, to plant the seeds and get them ripe. And finally I'm outgrowing all my growing pains. Every insecurity is fading out cause I see the full me.
So now that our wardrobe is sorted and we've had lunch, I had a quick lunch. I had some chicken and chapati, and it's 3 p.m. now. The next task is to make our vision board, but I think I'm going to take a quick nap, just an hour or maybe 45 minutes, and we'll get up and we'll try to start the vision board task at between 4:30 so that we can go to gym at 6 or 6:30, and then we will do a quick night routine and wrap up for the day. So I'll see you after my nap. So we have slept, we are fresh, and I have my tea with me. So we're all set. We also have my laptop, and we're going to light some nice candles so that we have the nice environment, all positive vibes, and we're ready for manifestation. Let's build our vision board.
What separates the girls from the women? I'm a grown fucking woman and I don't give a shit what you think about me. I'ma keep it moving and I don't give a shit what you think about me. I'm a grown fucking woman.
So for the vision board, what I do is first I go to Pinterest, and then whatever I have in mind, I get some 15 to 20 nice photos and download them from Pinterest so that it covers all the topics that I want. And then I use Canva to make a collage and then set it as a wallpaper everywhere, on my laptop, on my phone, everywhere that I can see. If possible, take a printout of the whole thing and maybe stick it on a wall. As you can see, the vision board of last year, which was 2023, is already set as my wallpaper in my laptop. So now it's time to redo it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have everything here downloaded from Pinterest. Now we'll go to Canva and put them all together nicely on a collage.
From a different continent, I packed a bag in confidence. I didn't come for compliments, oh nah. A couple decades working late, 100 no's, 100 fails, that's what it takes.
So we are done. This is our vision board. This is my vision board. So as you can, so these are mainly the most important priority things for me in 2024. Hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully all of these are gonna come true this year. So keep me in your prayers and make yours too. So hope my vision board inspired you to make yours as well. And also nowadays there's this trend of making a life binder. So that's a lot in trend. So you can do that as well. What that means is not just making a collage, but printing out the different photographs and taking a folder and then putting them as different slides in the folder. So that also is in trend. If you want to do that, that is also something, I think that is something that could be really fun as an activity. So hope you guys will also work on your vision board, create a vision board for this year and going forward every year if you have not already done so. So it's already late in the evening. Let's head to the gym. What's the time now? I think it's already close to 6:30 as we planned. So let's hit the gym and then we'll wrap up the day. It's been such a productive day. I'm quite happy with myself. So let's go.
I don't pop the bully, need my head 100. Got a biz of fun and hits a cut around my own republic. I can't feel like weight on my philosophy precludes me from being a fake. Call me Draco and I slither in a McDo. Scars gouged by the double-headed eagle. I'm bound when the rednecks kill my ego. Vision, I got vision, they don't see that shit.
So gym was great. I brisk walked for 2 kilometers and I did some shoulders. And it feels so great. I'm gonna hit the shower now and we'll end the vlog here. I hope you guys had a great time with me today. And if you enjoyed the video, please like the video below and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Honey, I'm a grown fucking woman. Don't talk while I'm trying to talk.